People think the Amazon rainforest is beautiful, but deep inside it hides some of the most dangerous creatures on Earth. Its dark rivers, schools of piranha can turn calm water into a deadly feeding frenzy within seconds. On the jungle leaves a tiny but deadly creature waits. The colorful poison dart frog whose toxin can stop predators instantly. Beneath the silent rivers, the massive green anaconda slowly moves through the water surface. And in the dark, jungle shadows, the powerful jaguar watches. Everything silently. The Amazon may look peaceful and beautiful, but in